guys, I hope that you are having a great day, and if you're new to this channel, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below. I post 4 times a week now, so it'll be changing. I know I didn't post on Friday, but I'm going to be changing my video schedules from now and see how that goes. And this video is relating on my lazy type of makeup tutorial from yesterday because it was raining and everything. Now, don't forget to, turn on the notifications so you guys can notify when I upload a video. Voice overview videos, like a voice, I don't really talk in the video. I was rushing a little bit, but, hopefully you guys still like it. Let me know in the comments if you like that look. And I'll see you guys soon. Bye, guys. I'm going to be using my Silah Mae Rimmel London primer. I'm going to just apply it all over my face so that my makeup could stay all day long. I'm going to also apply it on my eyes and just keep, smudging it all and stuff like that. And once I'm done, I use my Tarte Pro palette because that's what I do first. And then I use my BH Cosmetic brush and I use this color for my base. And then just apply it all over my eyes so that, when I put other colors, it will look nice together. And then, yeah, and I do the same thing with the other eyes. I put it up close so you guys can see the big difference. And it looks like this. It looks kind of like dark in the camera. And I use this color and put it as my crease. And yeah, it looks so cute. I love this color. And I use my BH Cosmetics blending brush from, BH Cosmetics. And then I just blend it all together. I do the same thing with the other eye. And I use this white one for my base, for my, where I put all my other extras and stuff like that, like eyeshadows. You guys will see. And I do the same thing with the other eye as well. So, they all can match. And I use this like a lilac purple. And I put it underneath my eyes so they can have that light tones to it, not too dark. Because this makeup tutorial is based on lazy day kind of makeup look. But also trying to make it look nice and decent. So I just wanted to put something out for you guys, And then I do the same thing with my other eye to make it look the same way as the other one. And I use this color underneath my my eyelids so it can look like I have like a crease, but not really. And then, yeah, I don't have a concealer, so I'm using this one as a tip for you guys if you don't have one. It's nice because, it saves you money, maybe. I don't know. And then I use this, like, brown tones, like kind of a glittery brown. And I'm just going to apply over my eyes. I'm going to do, like, a talk to you guys next time if I do a makeup tutorial so that I show you guys more of the eyeshadow. And this is, like, a weird mirror, but, yeah. I'm going to use the brown one for my eyelids, for the waterlines, because I forgot my eyeliner with me. And it looks like this. This is like a horrible makeup tutorial, but, I wanted to put something out there, but, I could say but it's okay. And then just keep applying on my waterline. Next time, it'll be a better tutorial, I promise. And then, because I've been really, like, out of the weather today because the weather in my area is not that great. And I'm going to be using this black one to look like I have like an eyeliner because I forgot my utensils. And I'm at work as well, so this is why I'm doing this. And yeah, and then I'm going to use my foundation. And this is from CoverGirl. It's like a tannish color but bright. And I really love it. And I like the brush as well from Real Techniques because it makes it look like, your foundation looks pretty, like, out there. It makes it, like, covered and everything with this brush, and it's soft. And that's what I really love about this brush. And then I'm going to do the same thing, with my neck and my ears and stuff like that so that it can match all together. And it's really good. And then I'm going to do my second coat because, I want to see better coverage. Sometimes one coat is not enough. And then once I do that, I'm going to use my BH Cosmetics Studio Pro concealer and then just apply that on my eyelids so I can take away those, blackheads, eye bags, or whatever. And then I'm going to use the same brush again and just apply it so it looks nice. And then just keep doing that so, like, you can see the better, difference about it. I think it's the same, but it's not that bad. I really like the foundation. You guys can see, you guys don't see my pimples anymore. It's, like, the best. And I use the Fit Me Maybelline powder. And this is, like, a classic, like, light, and has a mirror over it, so that's awesome. And after that, I use a Target brush as well, and then just dab it on my face. It kind of gave me like a sting feeling. I don't know about this. Yeah, and then after that, I just keep doing it under my eyes, where I apply my concealer and everything. And I use my eye lips from elf for contouring. So you know, it's nice to have a contouring all the time. You must do that in your tutorial. And then just line it up with my nose and everything and my cheeks and all that. So it's really good that I'm doing this. I'm so silly. And then I used a brush from Target and just blend it all together. And yeah, it's pretty good. So I just keep blending it all together on my face so it has like that nice effect. And then once I'm done, I just, yeah, wait for it, guys. So I'm going to be using this Naked Cosmetics from BH Cosmetics, BoxyCharm. And I'm going to be using this pink eyeshadow highlight for my eyelids, like underneath my eyes where I put my concealer, to make it like a little bit of a highlight so you guys can see, like, my eye bags are not there. I feel like it still shows. And I'm going to be using this blue one because you guys see that highlight. Hello. It looks so cute. I mixed it all around so it looks nice. And then I just do the same thing, just apply it and then just mix it all together. And I'm going to be using my Maybelline mascara. I really like it. It's so pretty. And then I just use like one coat and I use the second one for another mascara, which you guys will see later on. And I just keep doing that and then, do my under eyes. And then I use my NYC lip gloss because this is like a lazy makeup tutorial. That's how I call it because I don't want to go all the way there. And then, yeah, it looks like this. Very glossy, very cute. And I highly recommend it. And I use my BH Cosmetics bronzer from Wildflower, I believe. And it's so cute. It has a mirror on it. And I just apply it where my contouring was. And it's the best I've ever bought right now. And it's so inexpensive. And I bought the Wet n Wild blush as well. And I just applied it on my cheekbones and everything like that. And it doesn't really show much of the color the way I wanted to see on the, the pan. And I just used my Target brush to blend it all together to see if there's any difference, but not really. And then I used my eyelash curler to, curl my eyelashes. And yeah, and then I used my CoverGirl mascara, which I really love. I've been using this for quite some time now, and I do recommend it for anyone who's wanting to have a natural lashes. And I'm going to be using this color and then apply it under my brows. And then, yeah, to have that nice highlight and everything. So it looks so cute. I really love it. I love this palette. I don't know why people have been, like, talking about negativity about this palette. But for how I see it, as I think it is. But I think it's cute. And then I'm going to be using the black one for my brows because I forgot the brow kit that I always use.